Just as simple as that. Not complicated. But each thing, each level of energy produced a different sentience, a different way of looking at things than I otherwise would have, which in a way is another feedback loop. You get stronger, you think better, you get stronger over and over and over again. And that's what's occurring with this technology. First with the distance energy, now with the water, and over a period of time as we add new ingredients, as we add new technology, the latest being the supercharger. I use that, it's not because I'm trying to think of something cool sounding. The fact of the matter is the only thing I could think of that was in science that I knew that fairly closely resembled what this did was a supercharger in an automobile. So I just called it a tachyon supercharger because I knew that's what was going on. So all I'm saying is this is a feedback loop. You're getting better, and then you're doing more things, you get better at it, and it picks up exponentially as you continue to improve yourself. It's not a straight line thing. It's actually, in mathematics, it's called an asymptote. It approaches infinity. The curve continues to approach infinity. And I believe that's what's happening here. I think the energy is approaching infinity. The capabilities are approaching infinity. The health levels may very well be doing the same thing. So, Kevin, that's basically what I think is going on. I would welcome any questions from the audience out there, any comments about what we've said. We're open because we're learning from you like you're learning from us. Any comments at all?
All right. Well, I think why don't we just end the call? And if you want to, if you want to call me afterwards, the number's 307-200. Hold on one second. 4503. That's 307-200-4503. It's AscensionEnergyProgram.com. If you want to read about it more or sign up for the newsletter. And we're pretty much available during the day, all day. So, if you want to call us tomorrow or something, that's fine as well.
Denise, Tim, it was a pleasure talking to you earlier. I'm done, Kevin.
All right.
Have a great night.